Yo, hello everyone. My name is Adewale Yusuf, Microsoft MVP, Microsoft Certified Trainer. I work with D-Bank Consulting as the head of Power Platform and Business Intelligence. I'm also a trainer. Now, we're creating a challenge for the Corp members in Nigeria. So we started with a program of empowering 1,000 Corp members in Nigeria. And after empowering them, one of the things we want them to do is to go through their first challenge. And the first challenge is to be able to create some interesting dashboard like what you can see on my screen. So the project number one they're going to start working with is this project you can see on my screen. Basically, this project is about a restaurant. So this data, we got this data from cargo.com. So this project is about restaurant order, and this is just to check how the restaurants are doing, what are the different ways of payment for each lecturer, what is the percentage of budget achieved of all the restaurants. We're looking at different things like the transaction counts, item quantity, average customer rating, what of the average delivery time. Okay, those are the things we'll be looking at in this simple, nice dashboard for our core members. This is the project number one, like I said. Now, if I select a slicer here, any of this slicer here, what you can see here is a slicer. So if I click any of the slicer, you can see this dashboard is kind of interactive, and as I'm changing that, you notice this cumulative bar is changing. Also, this percentage is changing. This is also changing to the highest mode of payment. You can see mode of payment for this particular zone is debit card, like using debit card a lot. And you can see the map as well to see the locations are relevant, or let me say in this particular zone, right? And if I scroll down here, you will see the trend of hourly trend and the change of hourly trend in orders and transactions. So you can see the restaurants here that fall under this zone. Look at the total their amounts and versus their budget. And even the cuisine by, you can also see the cuisine by other amount. Right. So if I click on another slicer, this also shows me that debit card is kind of doing well here. And we have ordinary and then pro. Ordinary and pro, they are kind of closer to each other. Now if I click zone C, so I think credit card is doing well in zone Z, and you can see that ordinary is well aligned more than pro in this case, right? And when I scroll down, you can also see the change in terms of pro C. I'm also going to click zone D, so we see how zone D is doing as well. So you can see zone D is also changing as I'm clicking that. So I'm going to click zone A. Let's see how zone A is doing. Zone A, zone B. Interesting. So this is the Corpers challenge, and all Corpers are going to go through this video and create something interesting and something beautiful, right? Corpers, we can't wait to see your beautiful dashboard. You guys are at liberty of using any different colors that you like. You can, doesn't necessary to have the same color as mine. And I'm going to create a video on a step-by-step video on how to create this dashboard. Then we'll give you access to our Corpers alone, just our Corpers. Corpers, right? Stay tuned, guys. Bye.